Welcome back, everybody. This is the Storybee Phonics series. My name is Erin, and I'll be teaching you about the letter B today. Today's special B words are bag, bed, bee, bird, and bear. They all make a B sound at the beginning. Do you see the two words at the bottom? They are our special guests because they do not have a B sound. Remember this for later. Here is the letter B written in red. The big letter is the uppercase version of B, and the small one is lowercase. They both make a B sound. This, my friends, is a bag. You can put lots of things in bags and bring them with you when you go out. Bag starts with the letter B. Let's say it together. Bag. Now we have a bed. Beds are where people sleep at nighttime. Try to say it with me. Bed. Again. Bed. Now let me introduce you to a little friend. This is B. He is friendly, but be careful he does not sting you. Try to say his name. B. Notice how your mouth makes a smile when you say it. B. Here we have another friend. This is bird. You've probably seen a bird in real life before. Birds fly all over the world with their impressive wings. Say it with me. Bird. This, friends, is my favorite little friend. Bear. He is fluffy and cute, like Winnie the Pooh. Repeat after me. Bear. Great job, everybody. I hope you were listening because now I'm going to test you. Here we have a bag, a bed, a bee, a bird, a dog, and a bear. Which one do you think does not belong? Point to the one you think doesn't fit. If you chose the dog, then you're right. The dog is the odd one out because it does not have a B sound. Let's do another one. We have a bag, a bed, a bee, a bird, a frog, and a bear. Which one does not belong? That's right, it's the frog. Now, remember the bag we saw earlier? I forgot where it is. Can you show me which one is the bag? Great job! This is the bag. Let's do another one. Can you find the bed? Point to the bed. Excellent! This is the bed. Looking at it is making me tired. Now, can you help me find the bee? Which one do you think is the bee? That's right, this is the bee. What about our bird friends? Can you find the singing bird? Wonderful, you found the bird. And for the last one, help me find my favorite bear. Excellent, this is the bear. Well done, everybody. You've learned so many new words today. Let's go over them one more time. Bag, bed, bee, bird, and bear. Keep up the great work and follow along at storybee.space. See you next time!